Hello, what is up, everybody? UI Reflex, or I'm Beast here, and I'm here, and I'm gonna show you how to pretty much in this. This is gonna be the second part of my three-part series of how to make a YouTube background. I thought originally, yes, like last time I uploaded the tutorial, it was just gonna be for that little squiggly line, but now it's just gonna turn into how I made my background, which let's see, this. So that was the first tutorial up here. This tutorial is going to be pretty much just getting a background that's kind of like this one, how it's split. So I had a request to do that. So pretty much what I'm going to be using in this one is a Borderlands and a Black Ops thing. So pretty much once you have your two files, I prefer having bigger ones, like having the bigger pictures. So yeah, I mean if you have the bigger pictures, it won't be as pixelated, but it's up to you. So pretty much I'm going to have the Borderlands going in first because I'm going to have that one being right like on the bottom here. So you have Call of Duty is on the bottom. So I'm just going to drag, holding. You have to hold the entire time. You're just going to be holding that, and you're just going to drag it to the outside. Now it's okay if it's on top and it's overlapping everything. That's fine. Now you see it's pixelated. Doesn't really matter. Just do right click it and place it. So now it should be fixed up. So you want to put that behind the fade and behind the content area and behind the whatever that is. Now for this one, I don't really want the vignette. So just delete that, click on it, backspace. So now you can see the Borderlands part is right there. You can also hit Control T and edit if you want. You can mess around with that. It's up to you. So just place that. Now go back to your desktop. Hold or do the same thing with Black Ops. Now you're just gonna put that over top of Borderlands. Put that to the corners. Okay. Right click it, push place. So now you have two backgrounds on top of each other. That's what you want. So actually I have to put that up a little bit. There we go. So right click it, push place. Now, so you're probably wondering how you split it and show this part, the Borderlands part. So what you're going to do is you're going to use the lasso tool right here. Lasso tool, and you can, I'm just going to start from the top. Like, it's pretty much just going to cut however you want to put it, like that. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it. So you're just going to want to cut. Okay. It's kind of a bad cut, but whatever. So you just go along the edges. You don't even have to be on the like actual page. You can just go along the bottom and then up. So you just, now that this is all highlighted, you hit backspace. Oh, oops. So you actually want to go, make sure this is rasterized. So right click on the Black Ops layer or whatever layer is on top. Make sure it's rasterized and just hit backspace. And so now you can see, hit Control D, it's all blended. So you have the Borderlands, and if you want to trim it up a little bit more, which is what I'm going to do, go ahead. Okay, go up, delete it again, Control D, so now I have the border part, and yeah, so that's what you want to do for then. And this is also, this template is going to be in the description down below. So yeah, actually this is probably going to be a two-part series because I'm going to, I can do the text this episode probably, so I was originally just going to do the background and have a quick like 5-minute episode, but I guess I can do whatever. So YouTube is what I'm going to have on the sides. So just do that, and excuse me, I'll make that white. Okay, now that it's white, hit Control and just make it so it's like that. Try to make it at a 90-degree angle. Oh, I actually want it to be this way. I think that's close enough to a 90-degree angle. Okay. Got that. Now, once you got that, you just click somewhere else pretty much. You want to go to your layers, right click it, blending options. This is actually kind of copying somebody else's idea, but oh well. So you want to hit drop shadow, normal, make sure it's on red, just the highest, best red. Make the opacity to 100. Sometimes this didn't work earlier when I was about to do another tutorial. It wasn't working very well, so hopefully this will work. Yeah, that looks good actually. So you got that, and now you want to go ahead and hit color overlay. Just make it on normal. So you go here, and this is where you want to have like an orangey color. So that's good. And then you actually want to hit satin and change the satin to normal, and then instead of black, just make it a like brown kind of color like that. You want the distance to be, I'm pretty sure it's like to 0, and then the size to about 100. So you got that. Now you want to edit with the inner glow. So click on inner glow. Blend mode, you don't want that, or you want that to be at color dodge. So that's just right there, color dodge. You want it to be, the opacity to be 100. You want this to be like a yellow. So yellow, you got the yellow now. You want that to be, just leave it like that. Choke can be up and down, whatever you want it to be. So that's pretty much all you have to do for the text. This is kind of a fiery text tutorial. So if you want to edit that, then go ahead. So YouTube, and if you wanted to edit multiple layers, you could just do that. I'm actually gonna hit this and do tutorial. I can't even spell tutorial. There we go. There we go. There we go. So hit Control, make it to wherever you want it to put it. And instead of going and actually having to fix all of that and put all those settings in like redoing all that, I'll just fix that and put that over here. You can shift click it, or sorry, you don't want to shift click it. You want to right click on the original layer that has the edits, right click it, you do copy layer style, and then right click on tutorial or whatever you want to put it on, paste it. So now you have that. So I might cover that in a different one, but no, I guess I can continue. It's only 8 minutes. Oh well. Okay, here we go. Close that out. So now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click those, or shift click them. No, I don't want to do that one. Shift click those, right click. Can I do that? I guess not. Oh well. So you want to go to filter. Where is it? Sorry, right click this, rasterize type, and then, well, I guess we can do the YouTube one first. Filter. There we go. Liquify. Now for the first one, you probably want like an 80. I'll do 75 for this. And we want to use YouTube. So Control and then click. So this is not the easiest color to use, but oh well. So you just pretty much, I'm just gonna do like a little test example. So I'm actually gonna put this at 90. Actually, why not 100? Let's do 100. So if you just edit around with this, see what you like. I mean, this is not going to be obviously the greatest, because I'm doing it within like 30 seconds, but you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. So you hit OK, it loads it all. Like I said, you can make it, I made it so it was really nice like that, but This is just pretty simple. And as you can see, I kind of messed around with it right here. I didn't want to edit with those because I wanted those to be easy to read, but you just do it like that. And then, yeah, so you can see this is on fire now. And pretty much you just do it with that one, and then you're fine. And then, yeah, that's your new background. You can add in the, you can add in this part if you want to. So, or you can actually, if you really want to, just type in your name, YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/the2020gamers, and put that down. I think it's like 18 is what I usually use, or something like that. So, I mean, 18 is probably pretty good. But, so, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you have enjoyed this little two-part series on how to make a pretty cool YouTube background, make sure to leave a like. Can I go over to this? Make sure to leave a like. It really is really appreciated. And yeah, so if this helped you out, like I said, make sure to leave a like. So that's pretty much it. If you have any like suggestions, I might do another one of these, but like a different tutorial, like the emblem. So yeah, if you made a background like this using like the flaming letters, like where you cut it up, because I've had ones like where I like cut it into like a bunch of pieces for games that I like. So I mean, I just picked because Borderlands looks kind of cool, and Black Ops 2 because it's Black Ops 2. But I mean, you can just edit around with this and mess around and stuff like that. So like I said, if you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like on this video. If you want more, leave a comment saying what you want. Yeah. So I might, or you also have to have this little thing, this, what is it called? Template. So I'll try to find that and put it in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Peace.